Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create a PDF of multiple images on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. If you want to create a PDF of your multiple photos, then create a folder and all the photos keep here which you want to create a PDF. We will, for example, we will create a PDF for all these JPG images. To create a PDF, select all these three photos. You may press Ctrl plus A, otherwise select and right click on it. Here choose show more options and choose print option, and a new print wizard will appear. How do you want to print your pictures? Under printers selection, scroll down and choose Microsoft Print to PDF. Printer name should be Microsoft Print to PDF, and finally click on. You can see one of three all your images here. It will convert it into a PDF form in single page. Click on OK from the bottom right corner. A browser will open where you want to save your newly created PDF. We will choose desktop and assign a name, photo PDF or any other as per your choice. We will choose photo PDF and click on OK. Save. Now it will convert your JPG images into a PDF folder. Close the windows and go to your desktop. A PDF folder is newly created, photo PDF. Open it and you can see your all JPG images has successfully been converted into a PDF.